In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a t-shirt in Roblox in 2023. Make sure that you watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. You're going to begin on the Roblox webpage and click on Create. A pop-up may come up that says Manage My Experiences. Click on that. Now, once you're here, click on Avatar Items. You're going to have the option to do t-shirts, shirts, or pants. I'm going to make a t-shirt today. You're going to click on Upload Asset. Then from here, you will be able to upload your picture that you would like on your t-shirt, name it, and then describe it as well. Now, I'm just going to upload something random, and then when you click on the name, the description, you can click Upload, and once you do that, you are going to see that it says Off Sale. Now, you're going to click on it and then show the option on sale. You can set your price to anything you would like, but just remember that Roblox takes 30% of your earnings. You're going to save your changes, and just remember that making this t-shirt for sale is going to cost you 10 Robux. So just be sure that you are prepared to pay that before you actually complete this option. Now, I'm just going to click cancel because I want a better shirt, but that's all there is to it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.